Imagine launching a product you worked so hard for, only to realize your customers are not using it the way you expected. Or worse, some features you thought were brilliant are barely noticed. Welcome to the real world of startups. In business, no product is ever perfect at launch. The winners are not the ones with the best first product, but the ones who listen, improve, and evolve again and again. Today, let's dive into refining and iterating your product, a core skill every entrepreneur must master. After this lesson, you will be able to understand the process of product refinement and iteration, learn how customer feedback and market trends influence product development, explore techniques for testing and implementing product improvements. 1. Why refinement and iteration matter. In startups, iteration is survival. The market changes, customer needs evolve, and competition grows. Continuous improvement helps your product stay relevant, competitive, and valuable. 2. Using customer feedback. Customers are your greatest teachers. Their comments reveal what works, what frustrates them, what they wish your product could do. Collect feedback through surveys, interviews, social media, comments, reviews, and simple observation. This information becomes the foundation of your product upgrades. 3. Watching market trends. Trends tell you new customer behaviors, emerging technologies, shifts in demand, what your competitors are improving. Following trends keeps you ahead, not behind. 4. Implementing product improvements. Once you gather insights, start refining, fix bugs, enhance existing features, improve the user interface, add features customers truly need. Focus on improvements that have the highest customer impact and are feasible for your team. 5. Testing and validation. Never launch changes blindly. Use usability testing, A/B testing, beta testing with selected users. This ensures your improvements actually work without creating new problems. 6. Balancing iteration with stability. Too many changes too fast can confuse users. Too few changes can make your product obsolete. Find the balance. Every update should be purposeful and clear and always communicated well to your customers. 7. Learning from failed iterations. Not every change will be a success. That's normal. Failure equals feedback. Analyze what didn't work and use it to strengthen your next iteration. 8. Data-driven iteration. Use analytics to see which features are frequently used, which parts of your product are ignored, where users get stuck. Let data, not assumptions, guide your decisions. 9. Building a culture of continuous improvement. Successful startups don't stop improving. They create a culture where feedback is welcomed, experimentation is encouraged, mistakes are embraced. Team members constantly look for ways to improve the product. This mindset keeps your product alive and growing. 10. Iteration retrospective. After each cycle, ask your team, what went well, what didn't, what should we change next time? Retrospectives are powerful tools for growth and alignment. 11. Managing risks in iteration. Every update has risks. Reduce them through careful testing, backup plans, gradual rollouts. Better safe than sorry. Ask yourself, why are iterations necessary for upgrading and updating a startup? How can ultra-fast iterations help a business grow? In what ways do refining ideas, accepting failure, and flexible pricing strengthen product development? Reflect on these questions as you build your own product. Iteration is not a task, it's a mindset. Great products are not born perfect. They become great through continuous refinement. So keep listening, keep testing, and keep improving. Every cycle makes your product and your startup stronger. Now, let's take off and build something better together.